waited as the normal schedule until I became impatient. So I contacted the prison and they said, we are not coming to take a brother. We don't have any prisoner who is supposed to appear in court. Then I was like, you guys, I've done this matter. I signed the remand warrants and we have 3 people whom I went to them. By that time, the last bus had already left to reserve. And the court order is attached to this court was assigned to Nansa. That shows you the seriousness of the matter. So the court order of this court is heading to Nansa. All the buses are already done, and remember they go on the schedule. Then the schedule. So I tried to contact to see if we would get like a drone that would risk this right here. Between 29, because I think the next date was 29 to March. We will be having a date from now and 29. You can let me know and we will have it. We don't have. Then
we don't have, because the last time we got to July,
I saw that maybe something would have changed, especially for 22nd. The money.
we have 2 cases.
Now 26 November, the public. Next week we are having a debating